Powering Chicago is participating in this year's Chicago Auto Show as the premier sponsor. Here at the EV Resource Center, we have a lot of different amenities for you to come and experience. You'll see the 73-foot Powering Chicago mobile field trip truck, where you can take a tour inside to find out what Powering Chicago electricians experience and offer in the electrical industry. Also within our booth, you'll find an interactive billboard display with the most common asked questions around EV infrastructure, rebates, and what to do next if you're considering the amazing industry of a union electrician. With our partnership with Switch this year, Level 2 and Level 3 chargers that you can interact with to find out what it would be like to interface with these systems if you're out in the industry or within your home or business. Here, you can learn about the amazing apprenticeship program that consists of 8,000 hours of on-the-job and in-classroom training. That program is a total of 5 years, and the training consists of over 200 hours focused on safety. Once you've completed the 5-year program and graduated to a journey person, in addition to the $100,000 of average salary that you will make, you have access to wonderful benefits that include vision, dental, and health care. Also, you'll be building up a pension so that when you retire, you'll be able to take care of yourself when you're done and complete with your electrical career. In the Chicago, Naperville, and Elgin region alone, there are over 3,000 chargers that are available to the public. Of those, more than 700 are free. When you compare that to 2021, in the entire state of Illinois, there were only 2,200 chargers. So as you can see, the incentive to purchase an electric vehicle is great, but the infrastructure needs to be there as well. And that's where Powering Chicago is ready to take charge. When talking about the Powering Chicago difference, understand that Powering Chicago contractors are licensed and qualified, and they have the reputation to install safe, reliable, and on-budget projects, including the EV infrastructure. If you're interested about a rewarding career, come to booths SH11 at Powering Chicago's EV Charging Resource Center.